Good day everyone, this is Sir Echo, and for today's discussion, it's all about cylinders. In our past discussion, we already discussed yung ating mga polyhedrons. Na kung saan yung mga polyhedrons na yon is a three-dimensional figure na kung saan bounded by polygons. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin yung mga non-polyhedrons natin na kung saan one of its type po is yung ating cylinder. Sa mga non-polyhedrons po kasi, we have the cylinder, the cone, and yung ating sphere. So, for now, we're going to discuss yung ating cylinder. So, in our today's objective, we want to aim kung ano ba yung properties ng cylinder, ano yung mga formulas involved the cylinder, and how we're able to use this formula in order to find yung ating mga surfaces area, yung total surface area, volume. Okay? Without further ado, let's move to our discussion. Yung cylinder po is a solid bounded by closed cylindrical surface of portions of two parallel planes called its bases, which cut all the elements. Dito, ang alter ng ating non-polyhedron to polyhedron kung sa usaping cylinder is yung ating tinatawag na prism. Kung babalikan mo, yung prism, meron din siyang dalawang bases. Right? Ganun din kapag naman po sa non-polyhedron. Meron tayong tinatawag na cylinder. Na kung saan yung cylinder, dalawa din yung bases niya. We have the top, we have the bottom. Na kung saan yung bases natin na yon ay congruent and parallel. Ibig sabihin po, same size, same shape. Okay? Kaya pagdating sa cylinder, nagbabago-bago to in terms ng ating radius and yung ating height. And papansinin nyo rin po, once cut out yung ating cylinder, this one, once cut out yung ating cylinder or disintegrate natin yan, we formed yung ating dalawang circle and we have a rectangle here. Na kung saan yung rectangle na nandito, ito, yung ating length, 'di ba? Yung ating length is yung tinatawag na circumference ng ating circle po dito. Alright? Sunod natin is yung ating types of cylinder. So dito may iba't iba tayong classifications or different kinds ng ating cylinder. In terms ng perpendicularity ng ating height, we have yung tinatawag nating right cylinder. So, right cylinder natin, yung ating axis is perpendicular to the plane of its two bases. Ibig sabihin po, yung height natin is forming 90 degrees doon sa ating base. Ibig sabihin, talagang straight yung ating na-form na cylinder. So, 90 degrees siya dito, 90 degrees din po siya dito. So, yun po yung right cylinder. Sunod natin is yung oblique. So, axis is not perpendicular to the plane of its two bases. So, ibig sabihin, yung pinakagitna, ayan nga yung axis, di ba? Parang sa analytic geometry, we have the axis of symmetry. So, ganun din dito, which is the center, no? Axis natin, na kung saan hindi perpendicular doon sa ating plane, sa two bases natin. Kaya po, dito, for sure, pag oblique, we're getting yung ating altitude or yung height na perpendicular doon sa ating dalawang bases. Okay. Sunod natin is yung elliptic na cylinder. So, pagdating po kasi sa cylinders, nakakategorize din po siya based doon sa ating bases. So, again, yung bases natin, meron tayong top, meron tayong bottom. Okay? So, doon, meron kasing circular, ibig sabihin, circle, yung ating base. And we have the elliptic. Elliptic yung ating base or ellipse yung ating base. So, we have the elliptic cylinder and yung ating circular cylinder. So, bases in the form of ellipse kapag po elliptic. Okay? So, ayan, yung ating itsura kapag elliptic. And we have the right circular hollow. So, two right circular cylinder bounded one inside the other. So, ibig sabihin may butas yung ating cylinder sa gitna. Katulad na lang ng mga nasa siguro, that is yung mga nasa pipes. Like, pwede tayo mag-insert ng isang pipe, tas isa pang pipe. Or kaya man sa mga tubes. Right? So, ganun yung mga example. Kung gaano kakapal or ka-thick yung ating mga tubes. Ganyan. So, dito po sa types ng cylinder, we have the right, the oblique, the elliptic, right circular o hollow, and idagdag na rin natin yung ating circular cylinder na kung saan yung kanyang base po ay circle. Okay. So, ito yung mga properties ng ating cylinder. So, dito, automatically, it has two curves edges. So, yan, two curves edges. One, and we have two. One curved surface. So, yung curved surface na to, ito yun, yung paikot. Alright? So, curve yan, curved surface. And flat faces. So, dalawang flat faces, yung top, ito, and yung ating bottom. And has two identical circular bases that are parallel and congruent. Katulad nga ng sabi ko sa inyo, yung ating cylinder, pagdating sa polyhedron na usapin, is para siyang prism. So, it has a parallel and congruent. At kapag congruent, same size, same shape. So, the size daw po ng ating cylinder depends on the radius and the height. Siyempre, kung babaguhin natin yung radius, medyo liliit yun nandito natin, nasa base natin, and nasa top natin. Kaya mag-a-adjust yung ating cylinder. Ganun din naman kapag din po sa height. So, pwedeng nababago. So, yung mga cylinder kasi pwede yan, applicable yan sa mga sa mga piston, mga ganun, mga itsura ng piston natin sa sasakyan, or kaya man sa mga tangke, talagang tangke ng mga cylinders. And cans naman. Oblique cylinder natin, katulad nga ng sabi ko sa inyo, meron tayong right and we have the oblique. So, kapag right, perpendicular yung ating height doon sa ating dalawang bases. And kapag naman po oblique, so nakatagilid siya, kaya hinahanap natin lagi yung ating height na perpendicular doon sa ating bases. So, remember na all circle formula, so we have the area, A is equal sa pi r squared, circumference C is equal sa 2 pi r, and the diameter D is equal sa 2r. So, kapag radius, so from the point doon sa ating circle, papunta doon sa ating center. And kapag naman po diameter is yung ating end-to-end doon sa ating circle. Na kung saan, ito, hinahati niya sa semicircle yung ating circle. Okay? And we have the area formula. So, sir, bakit ba natin kailangan tandaan yung formula ng ating circle? Kung babalikan natin yung naging itsura ng cutout ng ating cylinder, so from this kind of cut shape ng cylinder, naging ganito siya. Right? Therefore, we could say na yung ating cylinder pala is made out of circles automatically. Kasi nga, di ba, cylindrical surfaces, portions. So, we have here the area formula if we're going to have yung ating total surface area. So, pag total surface area, di ba, yung ating, ano yung mga kinocompute natin? Yung top, yung bottom, and yung ating kabuuan na curved surface. Curved surface kasi meron sa atin, di ba? So, automatically, ilan yung area natin na meron? So, ito, area nito, and then area nito. So, dito po, sa ating cylinder, yung ating portion na to, ito, ayan, yung sukat dyan, ito po kasi automatically is yung ating height. Ayan yung height natin. Tapos, etong part po na to, ayan nga, yung ito, sa rectangle natin na shape, is yung circumference po natin ng ating circle. Kaya pag halimbawa, pinapako sa inyo yung total surface area, di ba ang total surface area? Katulad nga ng sabi ko sa inyo, yung cylinder, para siyang prism. So, that is twice ng area ng base plus tayo ng LSA. Kaso nga lang dito, hindi siya lateral surface area. Tinatawag natin siyang curved surface area. Kasi bakit? Ang curved surface area, bakit siya tinawag? Kasi nga non-polyhedron siya. Curved surface area, paikot. So, we have here dalawang area ng base. Ano yung area ng base natin? That is a circle. So, twice ng area ng base, which is pi r squared. Right? So, twice ng area ng base. Ang area ng base kasi natin is a circle. Ang shape niya. Kaya that is pi r squared. Plus natin yung ating CSA. So, ano yan? Curved surface area. Kung papansinin nyo yung shape natin is naka-form tayo ng rectangle. Katulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, this is the height and this is the length. So, yung length natin is the circumference. Therefore, kung yung rectangle natin, yung area ng rectangle ay length times the width. So, yung length natin is yung circumference daw, that is 2 pi r times natin sa W, which is yung height naman. So, therefore, itong rectangle natin is yung 2 pi r h. So, therefore, this is the TSA or the total surface area ng ating cylinder. Yan. So, therefore, yung CSA natin is twice ng pi r h. Yan. Yun lang naman. Just so you know kung paano siya nakukuha, no? Yan. Na already discuss ko naman na yan just to give you a heads up para alam nyo kung bakit ganun yung naging formula niya. So, we have the volume ng cylinder that is pi r squared h. Diba? Kasi ang volume natin ng mga polyhedron, which is yung sa prism natin, ano nga ulit yung nakalagay doon? That is area ng base. So, that is area ng base times the height. Diba? Kapag prism. So, ang sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang prism is alter niyan sa non-polyhedron is cylinder. Kasi nga parehas silang may dalawang base. Taas tsaka baba. So, parang ganun lang din, no? Para hindi nyo na kailangan mag-isip ng mga formulas. So, yun lang. Tatandaan nyo na the volume ng cylinder, area ng base, syempre, area ng base is a circle. So, that is pi r squared. So, times mo ngayon ng height. So, V is equal sa pi r squared h. Yan. So, TSA natin, I've already discussed na yan kanina kung paano siya na-determine. So, lagi lang natin tatandaan, TSA is equal sa dalawang area ng base plus yung ating LSA. So, dyan lang siya nanggaling. Problem number 1. Given tayo ng right circular cylinder na kung saan yung circumference natin ay given tayo ng 6 pi. Height of the cylinder natin is 4 cm. So, right circular cylinder. Ibig sabihin ng right, di ba, na yung ating height is perpendicular doon sa ating dalawang bases. And also, this is a circular cylinder, meaning yung ating yung ating base po is made out of circle. So, compute daw natin yung ating area ng base, lateral surface area or yung tinatawag nating curved surface area pagdating dito sa cylinder, and yung total surface area. Okay. Unahin natin is yung ating area ng base. Area of the base. Letter A. Area of base. So again, this is a right circular cylinder. So area ng base, which is circle, is equal sa pi r squared. Kaso, wala tayong given ng radius. Pero given tayo ng circumference. So, ang formula po ng circumference is equal sa 2 pi r. Therefore, with this kind of formula, dito, sa 2 pi r natin na circumference, makakakuha tayo ng r. So, given tayo ng 6 pi is equal sa 2 pi r. So, divide both sides by 2 pi. So, we get R is equal sa ilan? That is 3. So, ang unit natin ay centimeter. So, this is 3 centimeter. So, by the area of circle, so we have pi. So, R natin is 3 raised to 2. So, area ng circle natin is equal sa 9 pi cm squared. So, cm squared kasi nga area. So, meron na tayong area ng ating base. Sunod natin is yung lateral surface area. B. LSA or yung ating CSA. Kung babalikan nyo yung formula natin ng CSA ng ating cylinder, so CSA is equal sa 2 pi RH. So CSA is equal sa twice ng pi times natin ng R. Ang R natin ay 3. Right? Ito yun. Times ng height which is 4. So CSA natin will be equivalent to, so 2 times 3, that is 6 times 4, 24. So we have 24 pi cm squared. So nasa sa inyo kung gusto nyo naka-pi or in terms ng decimal. So pwede nyo naman gawin yun. So ayan yun ating CSA. And for the total surface area, letter C. So TSA. So again, yung TSA natin, kahit saan naman yan, para lang din po yan sa prism. So TSA is twice ng area ng base plus tayo ng LSA. Pero dito, CSA. So TSA is equal sa twice ng area ng base. Area ng base natin, ito yung area ng base natin, di ba? So we have 9 pi cm squared plus tayo ng CSA natin is 24 pi. So 24 pi cm squared. So TSA is equal sa 18 pi cm squared plus 24 pi cm squared. So TSA natin will be equivalent to, so 18 plus 24, that is 42. 42 pi cm squared. Or in decimal, that is equal saan? Try natin lagay. 42 pi is 131.95 cm squared. So, yan. I hope na gets nyo yung ating problem number 1. Let's try to solve yung ating problem number 2. Given naman tayo ng oblique circular cylinder. Again, kapag oblique, yung ating height is not perpendicular doon sa ating bases. Kaya iyon hinahanap natin dito sa problem. And we have the given na 10 pi as circumference, and we have the element. Yung element po, ito yung kung sa prism, that is the lateral edge. So dito po, it is yung ating element na tinatawag, yung gilid doon sa ating cylinder, yung nakaslant na gilid. So naka-incline daw yon to the base 60 degrees. So computin daw po natin yung area ng base, yung height ng cylinder, lateral surface area, and yung ating total surface area. Okay. Area ng base. The usual thing, katulad lang ng ginawa natin kanina. So, given tayo ng circumference. So, sabayan nyo ako sa pagsosolve. So, area ng base. So, that is area ng circle. Kasi nga, circular. So, pi r squared. So, given tayo ng circumference, that's 2 pi r. So, given tayo ng 10 pi is equal sa 2 pi r. So, divide both sides by 2 pi, 2 pi. So, r natin will be equal to 5 cm. So, plug lang natin para makuha natin yung area. So, that is pi times 5 raised to 2. So, area ng circle natin or ng ating base is 25 pi. Anong unit? Centimeter squared. Okay. So, meron na tayong area ng base. Sunod natin is height ng cylinder. Height ng cylinder. Again, as I've said, 'di ba, na yung height dapat natin is perpendicular doon sa ating base. Sabihin mag-create ng 90 degrees. Kung ito yung ating element, ito. Ayan yung ating element which is equivalent saan? 18 cm, right? So, ito, naka-incline siya at, 60 degrees. Sa base daw. Sa base, 60 degrees. So, ang pinapanap sa atin yung height. Hindi drawing natin yan. So, height natin, ito yung 18. And then, we have the theta, which is equal sa 60 degrees. So, that is a right triangle, 'di ba? So, right triangle, ginagamit lang naman dyan, Pythagorean, tsaka yung ating SOHCAHTOA. So, dahil given tayo ng degrees, let's use the SOHCAHTOA. Unlike kasi kapag c squared is equal sa a squared plus b squared, mga sides yung given doon. So, dito, pag SOHCAHTOA, may mga degrees. So, eto, ano pinapahanap? H. So, given tayo ng 18 cm, which is the hypotenuse, right? Tapos, meron tayong angle and ano to? Kung ito yung angle natin, kung nandito yung angle natin, ano niya tong pinapahanap na to? That is opposite. So, opposite hypotenuse yung given natin. Opposite hypotenuse. Sa SOHCAHTOA, saan yon? Opposite and hypotenuse, that is SO. So, that is SO. So, that is sine theta is equal sa opposite all over hypotenuse. Na kung saan yung opposite is the height. So, opposite is equal sa sine theta times natin ng hypotenuse. So, opposite natin will be equal to sine theta. Ano yung sine theta natin? That is sine 60 degrees multiplied by 18 centimeter. So, opposite natin, which is the height. So, get our calculator. That is sine 60 times natin ng 18, that's is equal sa 9 square root ng 3. Unit natin, centimeter squared. This will be our height. So, height natin is equal sa 9 square root ng 3 centimeter. So, ayan. Meron na tayo another given height. Sunod natin. So, this is B. Lateral surface area. So, lateral surface area. Letter C. CSA, diba? Is equal sa LSA natin. So, we have CSA is equal sa 2 pi RH. So, CSA natin is twice ng pi times the R. Ang R natin ay 5 cm times yung height na nakuha natin kanina, that is 9 square root ng 3. So, CSA, pakikuha po ating mga calculator, that is 2 pi times tayo ng 5 times ng 9 square root ng 3. That's equivalent sa 489.73. Anong unit? Centimeters squared. And last number natin, last letter is D, which is total surface area. So, total surface area, that is equivalent sa twice ng area ng base plus yung ating CSA. So, TSA natin is twice ng area ng base. Area ng base natin is 25 pi centimeter squared plus tayo ng CSA, which is 489.73 centimeter squared. So, TSA, so kunin natin yung ating mga calculator ulit. That is twice ng 25 pi plus tayo ng 489.73. So, that is equivalent sa 646.81. 81 centimeters squared. So, I hope po na nakasunod po kayo and tinaray nyo din siyang isolve. Okay? Pwede nyo naman tong i-pause muna para kayo muna ang mag-try na mag-solve. So, all in all, parang may resemblance naman siya pagdating doon sa pagsosolve natin sa mga reason. Kaya I hope na medyo madali na lang para sa inyo. Problem number 3. Find the volume of water in terms of liter contained in the well with radius 8 cm and 20 cm deep. Papansinin nyo yung problem natin, hindi siya realistic kasi it is a well tapos 8 cm, 20 cm. Maaari it is just a miniature. Okay, let's try to solve this one. Given tayo ng volume, alam natin that the volume ng cylinder, like the usual thing, is the area ng base times the height. And yung area ng base natin, area ng base ng cylinder, that is pi r squared. And then the height. So this will be our formula. So given tayo ng 8 cm by 20 cm. Okay. So that is pi 8 cm squared times the 20 cm. So let's get our calculator. That's equivalent to 8 squared pi times tayo ng 20. So we got 1280 pi. So anong unit natin? Cubic centimeter. Yari na ba tayo? Hindi pa. Kasi ano ba yung pinapahanap? Pinapahanap sa atin ay in liters. Ibig sabihin, kailangan pa natin ng conversion. And we know, kung babalikan nyo yung natatandaan nyo sa physics, that 1 meter, cubic meter is equal sa 1,000 liters. So, yan. And we know na yung katumbas ng 1 metro ay equal din sa 100 centimeter. So, let's try to convert. Conversion lang naman to. So, we have 1 to 80 pi cubic centimeter. Siyempre, kailangan yung centimeter, convert muna natin sa meters and then meters to liters. So, convert natin. So, 1 cubic meter. Kung ang kada metro, so kung ito, 1 meter, 1 meter is equal sa 1,000 centimeters. So, kung ito ay 1 cubic meters, dapat ito rin ay naka-raise to 3. Kasi nga, di ba, sa rule ng equality, kung ano yung nakalagay sa kabila, ganun din sa kabila. So, 1 cubic meter is equivalent ngayon sa 100 centimeter raised to 3. So, let's get our calculator. Try muna natin yan. So, that is 1,280 pi times 1. Kasi para lang yung fraction times 1 all over tayo ng 1,280 pi times 1 all over tayo ng 100 raised to 3. So, ano nakuha niyang value? That is 4.02 times 10 raised to negative 3 cubic meter. So, yan. So, roughly, kung iyan ay naka-raise to negative 3, naka-scientific notation siya, so, roughly, mga ilan yan? So, that is 0.00402 cubic meter. So, parang iyan lang yung value niya. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. So, that is 4.02 times 10 raised to negative 3 cubic meter times ngayon natin sa So, that is 1 cubic meter. Convert natin siya sa liters So, 1,000 liters. Marunong naman sa conversion, no? Cancellation lang naman yan ng conversion factor na tinatawag. So, ito, cancel. Ito kanina cancel to, maka-cancel din. So that is 4.02 raised to 3, negative 3, times natin sa 1,000. So that is 4.02. So magiging final answer natin ay 4.02 liters. So ayan po yung ating final answer. I hope na may naintindihan po kayo sa ating discussion ngayong araw. See you and God bless.